Welcome to this short little update video. This week we didn't do so much, but I still want to do a little update. And you've just seen that we have more people arrived. Actually, the kids of a friend of mine, so it's quite funny to be that old. I think that friends from school have kids that are so grown up they come in their own campers, but it's very, very cool. They're surfing right now or doing a bike trip, I think. This week we have continued work in the bathroom. Tina did some more tiling and the tiling is actually finished now. And also we've done some work in the garden. And then we've done some work on the pool. But actually we didn't get super far, because what's quite time consuming is to actually think about all the variants you could do regarding the terrace around the pool. But we've made a couple of decisions and we've started work on it. So I'm gonna show you that. And then we'll have pizza in about 10 minutes. So I hope this video is not gonna take much longer than that. So as I've said before, we want to keep this door basically at this spot of the pool, and then we're gonna build a new wall with these old stones. And when you come in here, you're then gonna step onto a terrace. And what we've done is we've started preparing the work here. So we're gonna put some gravel in that we looked at today. And then on top of that, there's gonna be some stones as a foundation. And then we're gonna put the wood on top, the construction wood. There's a part lying over there. And then the terrace wood. So it'll be hopefully very nice. So that's the one thing that we did. We started preparing this, measuring everything, made a plan and so on. And the other work that has been done is inside the pool, where we are preparing everything for the liner that will hopefully arrive in 1 or 2 weeks. So as you can see, we've started filling up the cracks. It's not dry yet. Everywhere where the structure is uneven, we put some plaster on top. I also finally got from Germany, I got this piece. So this is a piece where the water comes out, which has special threads for screws, and then the liner goes on top with a special kind of rubber. And then you attach the liner, and then you cut out the hole later. And this one goes into this hole. I got these out with the thread still being intact. So we can screw these in and fix them. And then when the liner comes in, we can attach the liner to this and make it waterproof. That's pretty cool. We've got 2 of those. One there, one there. I also opened up that hole, which is a place where they suck in water, or used to suck in water, with a hose running to a little machine that cleans the floor. But I was told that today everything is done by small robotas, or you do it yourself, so we're probably gonna close that. And then we have the skimmers. And originally I wanted to keep them, but they're not really looking that good actually, and they're sitting rather low. And I think it would be nicer if the water's a bit higher. So I got some new skimmers that I have to put in actually as well. And then the last thing that I have to do in here is to close this area where you could drain the pool. It's pretty difficult to put something in there where we can attach the liner, because it's not a standard thread or anything we can use. So we decided to just close it, and if you want to get the water out of the pool, you can use a pump like we did the last couple of weeks. I don't know if you remember, but last year we cleaned the pool to avoid having so many mosquitoes, and now we've had it clean and we have so few mosquitoes. So it's really cool, because when we bought the house, when we came here the first summer, when we came here the first Easter, I thought, oh my god, there's so many mosquitoes and they really like me. So I was quite disappointed, and I'm so happy that it probably was because this pool was filled with water and they had the perfect breeding ground. That's over now. So that's basically it for this week. I actually wanted to do a different episode about sports and how sports help us arrive here and help the kids arrive here and how it helped me through the winter and so on. But I'll do that another time, and this is just going to be a short update so you know what we did. I'm really looking forward to next week. We'll have even more visitors and more help. As you can imagine, I'm looking for the cows. They're not here right now, but they really keep us company quite often. And I'm gonna have a look. The first pizzas are ready, it seems. So, yeah, I hope you have some nice dinner as well. See you next week. Until then, bye bye. Bon appetit.
So great. But okay, yeah, but this is a little before that. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Yes.
Mach mal jetzt.
You did all the installation.
Jetzt machst du, warte, Mio, machst du das?
When I got the van,
Mit machst du drauf.
FIFA 1 hier. So